Nowadays, we are hearing every day how it is easy to make money online. How would you like to make $5 over and over again in just few seconds by tapping an app on your phone? This is not some pipe dream, this is for real. So, watch till the end. Before we start, make sure to check the links in the description below to make more than $1,000 each and every day, so make sure you don't miss out on that. Subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. Still looking for a way to make money online? With the internet, anyone can make money online, even for doing nothing. What would you say if I told you could make $5 in just few minutes by using an app on your phone? If you are looking to make money online very simply without any efforts, this is the perfect for you. A simple way to make money from your phone is sharing your opinion. Today, I am sharing with you one of the best platforms to get paid sharing your opinion, which is available worldwide. It is called Triaba.com. Triaba is a part of the digital insights gathering platform, which has the world's largest consumer network for digital survey-based research. Triaba surveys offer you the possibility to make money with online surveys on a computer or mobile app. To sign up is very simple. Fill out your information such as your name and email through the sign-up form. The survey will be sent to the email address that you provided or through Opinion app if you download the app on your phone. You are eligible from the very moment you sign up to receive surveys. Therefore, you could receive an invitation right away. It really depends on your profile information. By sharing your personal data, you will be able to get research opportunities targeted to your interests, and earn more rewards for participation. Share your opinions, fill out surveys quickly and easily, and you will earn money online from home safely. You can take surveys using your computer or your mobile phone using their app on Google Play Store and App Store. It is called Opinion app. So, you can take surveys anytime, anywhere with Opinion app on your mobile device. Share your opinion and get rewards for each survey you take. You can earn between 50 cents to $5.50 for each survey you complete. When you have reached $12 in your panel account, you can make a payout to your PayPal account. You can also use a virtual Visa debit card, Amazon voucher, or a G-code gift card, and the payout limit is $10 for them. However, if you like to make big money as a long-term income, make sure to check the links in the description below to make money instantly. If you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.